Have you ever walked into a room and felt that something was off? Maybe it felt too flat, too cold, or just lacked character. What if I told you that by simply adding rhythm and texture, you could completely redefine the soul of your home? Welcome to Hope Tube. Today, we aren't just talking about decor, we're diving into the architectural power of floor-to-ceiling vertical wood slats. It's a design choice that does more than look beautiful. It actually tricks the eye into perceiving more height, more depth, and a sense of calm that a plain painted wall simply can't provide. And the best part? We're pairing these slats with the raw, expressive energy of abstract wall art. Let's break down how to marry these two elements for a high-end, gallery-quality look. Why are interior designers obsessed with vertical slats? It comes down to one word: rhythm. Our eyes are naturally drawn to lines. When you install vertical slats from floor to ceiling, you create a continuous, unbroken path for the eye to follow. This creates a vertical lift, essentially making your ceilings look higher and your room feel more expansive. Beyond the visual, there's the tactile element. In a home filled with glass, concrete, and metal, natural wood is the warmth bringer. It softens the sound of a room, acting as a natural acoustic buffer. It's not just an accent wall. It's a living, breathing part of your environment. Now, the real magic happens when we break that rhythm. A full wall of slats is beautiful, but adding an abstract piece, that's where it becomes a statement. Think of the wood slats as your canvas, a textured, natural backdrop. When you mount an abstract, geometric, or minimalist art piece on top, you're creating a clash of worlds. You have the rigid, uniform structure of the wood against the fluid, unpredictable nature of abstract art. Pro tip: when choosing art for a slat wall, consider the rule of weight. If your slats are dark, like walnut, go for lighter, metallic, or bold-colored art to make it pop. If your slats are light, like pine or oak, don't be afraid to go with deep, moody, or oversized black and white abstract pieces. The biggest mistake: over-decorating. When your wall is already this textured, the room doesn't need to shout. It needs to whisper. Lighting. Use LED strip lighting concealed at the top or bottom of the slats. The shadows cast by the vertical lines will create a 3D effect that changes as the sun moves across your room. Greenery, wood and plants are a match made in heaven. A single, trailing plant near the wall will break up the lines and add a natural, organic flow. Furniture, keep the furniture near the slat wall low profile. Let the vertical lines do the heavy lifting for your eyes. Visual note. Show a montage of different styled rooms, minimalist, modern, and industrial. All design is not just about filling a space, it's about how that space makes you feel. By introducing these vertical elements and a touch of abstract creativity, you're not just redecorating, you're crafting a mood. If you found inspiration in today's transformation, consider hitting that subscribe button. We're building a community here at HopeTube, where we turn ordinary spaces into works of art. Let me know in the comments, would you go for dark, moody wood or light, airy oak? I'd love to hear your thoughts.